it's Andrew. Today I'm going to start building this fixed gear freestyle wheel. Take this wheel off the bike, bring it into the shop. I'm going to take it all apart. If I can take this wheel off, head in, boom. Alright, so here is that master hub. 36 hole, 9-tooth fixed driver, as you can see. But yeah, I'm super stoked on this. It came within like 3 days of when I ordered it. Pretty sick. Gonna bring it on into the shop with me, dismantle this wheel. I have to measure the effective rim diameter, which I'll explain when I get there, and get it all taken apart. If I get to that point today, it's gonna be probably like a multiple day video. Okay, what's good? Fast forward like almost a week and a half now. As you probably saw in the beginning couple of clips of this video, I was planning on rebuilding this rim with my new hub that I got. That's not so new anymore because I've had it for like 2 weeks, but today is finally the day. I was just at the bike shop, just got spokes in, just cut them because the owner of the bike shop talked me into just rebuilding a different wheel with that hub, and so I ended up needing to order a new rim, order spokes after I found out how long of a spoke I needed, so it ended up just prolonging the whole thing like an extra week and a half. Hence, here I am today with this bike still sitting in pieces. So, we're gonna go fucking lace this bad boy up. I'm stoked about it. I have a tape measure in my hand. I'm gonna have a 10-tooth cassette wheel. We'll see if I ever use it, I guess. So, in that case, I came to get this camera because, as you'll see in the next couple of clips, where I'm talking about cutting the spokes, I had to record them on my iPhone, but I recorded them horizontally this time, so it will not be as bad footage as the last video, hopefully. But I only had to use those couple of clips because I have my camera now. But I'm gonna go back to the bike shop, lace this bitch up. The intention of this video is like what it takes to build a fixed gear freestyle wheel as someone who is like recently getting into building bikes and shit like that. I've built like a good couple of bikes and fucked around, but I've never built a wheel before. Pop it on right there. And boom. Cut that, daddy. And then for threading it, it's gonna going here and sit comfortably right there. And then this one is gonna go down and it's gonna thread it up. You see it going up. Boom. And so that, I guess you can't see it very well with this camera. Okay, so I'm down in the basement now. The lighting is super bad. I'm relating this video to what you need to know to build a fixed gear freestyle wheel. And I've started lacing it already, but now there's something you need to know as far as when you get a rim, you need to know what length of spoke you need according to what size your hub is and what size the rim is. So to measure what size of a spoke length you need, you can go on Park Tool. Honestly, I would go on parktool.com, watch their, or read their thing, because it's super on point. Hopefully you can hear me because of all the noises and the fan down here. Basically put that information into a spoke length calculator with like your flange diameter, some other calculations. I used the SAPIM calculator. There are other good calculators that you can use for it, but they most of the time ask for like specific hub company, specific rim company, which obviously with a fixed gear freestyle wheel, that's not applicable. So the SAPIM one online, I'll link it. You can use just any whatever measurements it asks. Got this shit all laced up, Master Bike Co. 64 hub.
I want to be on the internet.
9.2.
I want to be on the internet.
Little mash sticker. How many wheels are you gonna build? Four? Four wheels, damn. That's badass. What is that even, what are they even,
Wheelchair
what is it?
wheels.
Oh, fuck, really? Jesus. You guys do that?
Hell yeah.
That's crazy.
We them boys.
We them wheelchair boys. Wheel builder Rob at your service.
Right.
Damn. With the quickness.
Like, well, shit with pony beads, like all the crazy ass raver candy, like the really complex ones with like layers.
Crazy, like
it's very similar to like that, whereas like if you're
there's a pattern that's very easy once you understand it.
But it's very easy to fuck it up, even if you're like being very careful not to fuck it up.
Yeah.
That's all wheel building is.
True. Anyone can do it. It's just a pattern. Okay, well, this thing is pretty fucking straight. It's 8 o'clock almost now. So, but let's take this thing home, worry about the rest of it later. So basically what I did, took the linseed oil after I had everything all good, and then you just lube all of the nipples, and then you give it a good spin, and all the lube kind of like sits down into the threads, and then you basically start tensioning it. But yeah, I think this went pretty well for having never built a wheel before. It didn't take me that long at all for the most part. So that's sick. Watch Ali Clarkson's video on how to build a 26-inch wheel. He covers like everything. That's what I used as a reference. He does a really good job of explaining it. Shouts out Master Bike Co. Shouts out SE Bikes. Shouts out Cargo Bike Shop. Let's fucking get this shit. In the bike dungeon, currently, as you can see, this is the old wheel that I had. Set here is the new wheel, and gonna slap this baby on, throw some pedals with straps on here. It's really hard to get in there. Figured it out though. Break a sweat putting the fucking wheel on my pixie. Okay, fuck. That was super hard to fit into the fucking dropouts. I don't really know why.